hear the drum beat in the soul. We trace the roots back to the legends who wanted us to be whole. From 1956, the vision, the fire they tried to suppress. They sold us borders and division, but our spirit said yes. You can't fence off the truth, can't separate the destiny. Every nation rising up, proving our identity. We stand on the shoulders of giants, feel the wisdom they hold. A story written in glory, more precious than gold. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, one Africa. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, it's now one Africa. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, one Africa. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, it's now one Africa. Yeah. Give thanks to Haile Selassie, who hosted the first meeting of the free. We salute the heart of Garvey and Mali's global plea. The spirit of Lumumba echoes in the Congo line. The burning truth of Sankara, a future so divine. We remember Gaddafi's vision, the fire he kept alive, and every elder who showed us how the true Machiavelli survived. This ain't about flags and lines, it's about the heart of the whole. From the shores of the Nile to the seas where we roam. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, one Africa. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, it's now one Africa. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, one Africa. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda, it's now one Africa. This is the strategy now, unity is the only way. No more waiting for tomorrow, we claim the power today. From the youth rising up like Ibrahim Traore, we break the chain of the past and set the future free. Qina Ndoda, Qina Ndoda.